Welcome guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. This is the hunt. Okay. Alright, please, if you can hear me very well, just drop any emoji or any letter on the chat box. Alright, please. Can you hear me clearly? Please just drop any emoji. Okay guys, all right. So I'm a little bit early today. Yes, that was because I saw a very beautiful setup, so I want us to have a look at it. So we traded GBP USD yesterday. it was very good yesterday. Yeah. So today I'm already seeing a setup on GBP USD as well, and this is what I want to see. I want price to push back down all the way here and then change structure. All right, that's what I want to see right there. So I'm going to mark this right here. Let me just put this one right here. So I just want the liquidity to sweep this downside here, and then all right, and then we look for buys. Okay, now let me quickly explain why I'm looking for buys right there. Normally, come on guys. Okay, so basically yesterday this was the zone where we sold yesterday right here. This was the zone. Okay, and today we're looking for sales. The reason is because I can see this upper movement right here, this upper channel, or what is it called, this movement right here. Okay, let me change this color. Something more flashy. Yeah. Okay, so that was the movement that I can see. All right, you can see price continue to push higher high, and all this type of stuff. Okay, right here, the reason why I got in yesterday is because I knew yesterday that price was pushing down, and immediately price give us this very strong impulsive move to the upper side right here. I know for sure that when we have this impulsive move, there's going to be a little bit of a retracement before the price continues to the upper side. Okay, so that's exactly what I saw yesterday that made me take the trade. All right, right here. But today is a little bit of something different. Now price is not price is already changing. All right, it's already changing its face. Now I'm not saying price won't still continue to the downside. Okay, we might still have a continuation to the downside, but for now, all right, what I can see is that price is having these higher highs and all those stuff, which can easily mean that price is going to continue to push to the upper side. And we can see price push all the way to, if I'm correct, we can see price push all the way to this point right here. Okay, that would have been my second level, the level where I'm going to be looking to go short right up here. Okay, so that's one channel changing. That's one of the reasons why I'm changing my bias from sells to buys. Okay, now let's put that aside. Another thing that I can see right here is that we have price smashed above the key level. Okay, if you look at the key level right here, price already break above that key level, which could easily mean that price is going to have a little retracement back down to this point right here, and it's going to be a continuation up. And also we can also see that we have a channel that has been formed at this point right here. Let me show you guys this one right here. This is the channel that has been formed right there. Okay, which means that if price push to the, which means that if price comes back down a little bit, it could continue to the upper side. So those were the things that made me change my decision on looking for sales at this key level to looking for buy after we had a break above it. And besides, you guys can see price already retraced on the key level before, pushed to the downside. After that, we saw price, came back to that same point again, and then price rejected that same point again before breaking into the upper side. So if price comes back to that point now, we could possibly have a pushback to the upper side. So that's just what I want to do. All right, now we are not looking for a very big push, just a very tiny push, we should be done. Okay, so that's it. If we can just get like 10 pips or 6 pips on this one, we should be good. That's all we needed. Okay, and then again, all right, let's go back to 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame now, like I told you guys, the low has been taken. This low has been taken now. So the next thing I want now is for us to have like something like this. All right, possible double bottom or double top, and I'll be getting into the trade. Okay, let's see how that goes. All right, Haley, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Now I love this push. I love this push. Now sometimes I just take my Fibonacci tool to measure this point right here. Just measure this point right here, and yeah, I think price is sitting at a very good place. So yep, so I'll be looking at this point here. Now if price goes above that point, I'll be in. Okay, let me change this color. Let's use something a little bit more flashy. Nope. Yeah, something like that. break of this point would be a good idea. Okay, I'm not in yet. Please give the stream a like, please, so that we can get more people right here. Please just drop a like so that YouTube can help us push this live stream forward to more people. Just drop a like, please. Okay, so we have a continuation down now. I'm just gonna wait. All right, everything is still okay, so no issue yet. Everything is still intact. I'm going to drag this one back to the downside. Okay, and again, let's quickly take a look at other pairs so we can mark the key levels. I already have some key levels on my chart. Those are the key levels I'm looking at. Okay, so I've basically marked this key level since yesterday. So on Euro CHF, I think I've been on this key level for a very long time now. I think it's for like 3 days. I've been on this key level. Okay, so I'm still right there. All right, I would have moved it all the way to this point right here, but you know, guys, remember we don't have multiple bounds right here. It would have been a good idea to move it right here, something like this, but because there's no multiple bounds, that's the reason I'm not having it. Okay, so it's a little bit risky, so I'm not looking to get into Euro CHF today because I'm not sure this is ever going to work today. All right, so we can be looking at tomorrow or next tomorrow or something. All right, so Euro CHF is not going to work except there's a very high news that push market back to this point right here. So I'm still just going to be observing and just be looking at Euro CHF for now. There's not going to be entry for now. Okay, so let's take a look at Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD, I've been on this one since yesterday. All right, we waited yesterday for price to push back to this point right here. That never happened. All right, it didn't happen. So right now I'm still there. Okay, I'm still going to be right here. Okay, I'm waiting for price to come tap right here and then reverse to the downside. So let me just put the limit right there. What is it called? Alert right there. So Okay, let's have our alert right there. Okay, and I also explained to you guys what we call pairs correlation. That sometimes I talked about that yesterday. Some pairs move together. All right, they move together the same direction, the same thing, everything all the time. All right, that the difference between them is very, very little. Okay, Euro USD also influenced my decision on GBP USD to buy, because if you look at Euro USD, price is still coming back to this up right here. I'm very, very sure of that. I'm very, very sure. I have around 70% surety that price is going to move back to this point right here. How it wants to get there, I don't know, but I know price is coming back up here. Okay, so which just tells me a little bit, gives me that all right, a little belief that GBP USD will also move up. All right, so that's part of what influenced this decision. I just woke up. I think I woke up 20 minutes ago. No, before the live session, it was 20 minutes ago. Okay, so immediately I woke up, I just checked the boat. I checked two of them, and I just saw the way they were behaving and everything. So I know that price is likely going to go up a little bit before going to the downside. You can see it push all the way to this point right here, because what I saw on Euro USD, all right, because of what I saw on Euro USD, what I saw on Euro USD rather influenced that, and based on technical analysis on, all right, on this one as well. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at GBP JPY. Okay, so these are the zones we marked yesterday. So the same thing, still looking for JPY to present an opportunity right here. Okay, today, right here, or price move all the way to this point here. The same thing right there. So we'll see. Let's check if there's news today. There's unemployment claim. All right, unemployment claim by 2:30 today. So I want to be careful trading this time. I want to be very careful. I don't even trade it. If I'm in a position, I just get out of the position and let the news, do its thing. Then after that, I'll get into the trade back again. That's just basically how I do it. I don't trade news. So you guys be careful. All right, if you're scalping or you're day trading, always be careful for news. Okay. So I'll put that at the back of my mind. If you have any question, keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Okay guys, so I'm going to move this one. Let's move this one from here. I'm gonna push it right here, okay? And now I'm just going to wait for a break above this point right here, okay? So you guys should be prepared for this one. You can take your FX calculator now and just calculate around 5 pips stop loss. Don't get in yet, guys. Just 5 pips stop loss. Okay, so we're having, all right, pushback. What are you doing? GBP USD, what are you doing? Okay, if price close above here now, I'll be in. Guys, just calculate 5 pips for stop loss. And again, guys, we're gonna possibly have 2 entries on this trade. Okay, so if you want to risk 1%, normally you should risk 0.5% this time. All right, please risk 0.5%. Okay. Let me quickly calculate. All right, we're breaking above that point now. If price close above that, we'll get into the trade. 15 seconds more to close. Seconds more to close. I mean guys, 5 pips, 5 pips GBP USD, 5 pips GBP USD, 5 pips GBP USD. Get into the trade. Buy GBP USD 5 pips. Okay, 5 pips, and our first take profit is gonna be right here. This is really fast, guys. All right, yep. Stop loss, your TP should be 26945, 26945, 26945. I'm going to close 70% of my trade right here. 75% of my trade right here. Okay, 75% right here. Okay, 75%. I'm closing 75% right here. %5 right here. Okay, good. Want to TP1 hit, guys. TP1 hit. All right, I told you guys this is gonna be very fast. I didn't even know this is going to be fast, but you guys can see. All right, you guys can see. Okay, you guys can see. Come in. Have any question? I didn't even know this is going to be fast, but you guys can see. All right, that's TP1 right there. Okay, if you're still in this trade, close 80% of your profit and let the rest run now. 80% of your profit, let the rest run. Okay, now I'm just going to let's project 1 to 2 now. Okay, when we project 1 to 2, I'll close 5% of my open position. Okay, all right, let's see this. Okay, I love this. 2. All right. Okay. Yeah, TP2 almost hit now. I told you guys. I told you guys there's going to be that pushback right here. I said it. Okay, just wait for TP2 to get smashed now. All right, TP2 hit. So now I'm closing most of my position now, I'm just going to leave just 1% of the 100% of trade that from the 100% of the position. All right, that's what I'm going to leave. I'm just going to leave just 1%. So I'm closing majority 99% of my entry. I'm closing them right here. Okay, so what I have now is just 1%, okay, of the total position, and I'm pushing my stop loss now to break even. Now break even, guys. So this is a risk-free trade. This is a risk-free trade. This is our break even right there. All right. All right. Price kept pushing now. Let's see if we can make it to TP3 right here. Now this week is it's becoming beautiful now. All right, this week is becoming really beautiful now. This is what I call quick money. This is quick money. Very quick money, guys. Very quick money. Very quick money. Very quick money. I'm break even on this trade. Please, if you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe so that you can get notified every single time I'm live. All right. And again, if you're watching this live stream for the first time now, or probably you're just joining us, this is the trade we've gotten into now. All right, and we're already break even, and we've closed 99% of our profit right here. Okay, so we've already break even. So if anything happens, this is a risk-free trade. I'm not risking anything on this trade at all anymore. Okay, taking the money. All right, so you can subscribe if you didn't get into this trade. Subscribe and turn on bell notification. Always show up. All right, always show up. Yeah. Edwin says nice trade. Yes, nice trade. Yes, it's a really nice trade indeed. All right, it's a very quick one. And welcome Edwin. Welcome. Good to have you here. It's a very quick one. All right. Please drop any emoji, love emoji, whatever emoji you want to drop, just drop that on the chat. All right, so we can keep the engagement right here going, please. And if you have any questions, please drop them. If you have any questions about this trade or anything in general, just drop them on the comment section so I can answer that. Okay. If you have any questions, please drop them so we can treat that. I still feel price will continue up, so I still feel will continue up, so let's just see. But whatever happens right here doesn't really matter anymore. We've taken our positions, we've taken our money. Whatever happens now does not matter anymore. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try this. One thing will start very soon. I just want the first month to be over on the first stream. All right, I think this is our fifth video on the live stream right here. Okay, this is our fifth live stream. Okay, so we're just starting. We have to take everything very easy, slow and steady. Okay, all right, my plan for bringing people up so that we can make the live stream more interesting. All right, still holds, but I just want this first month to be over, so I can get some people funded. Like I told you guys that I'm going to be funding 3 people. All right, it's still right there. Okay, so we're going to be starting with just 5k. all right, challenge, or as the spirit leads. All right, it can be more than that, but for now let's just have it in our mind for just 5k. Okay, I might decide to take it to 10k or whatever, but for now it's just 5k. I'm going to be funding 3 people, so I just want us to be able to do that before I start bringing people in. All right, you don't have to be professional trader. I will invite professional traders sometimes. All right, but I just want to keep this page I want to make it as what is it called now, as realistic as possible. It doesn't have to be professional traders, come into the live stream or anybody. It's just anybody can just come here, share their experience, share their share their thoughts, how they start trading, everything. Just share anything with us that will just make the live stream more more interesting. And trust me, if you're active here and you want to join, definitely I'm going to bring you up. All right, so no problem. All right, so that's what I want to do, but I just want to get people funded first for this first month. Let's do it, because right now I'm still trying to put everything together. I'm still trying to put everything together with the timing, with the equipment and all. All right, so I'm still trying to place balance with everything. Everything is not balanced yet because I'm just starting. All right, this is something I'm not really used to. All right, so I think as time goes on, it will get better. All right, it will get better. All right, and you guys, all right, you guys are the one. You are the real MVP right here. All right, so we can do it together. Okay, we can make it more interesting, make money while we also have fun. All right, I want this place to be as fun as possible. All right, while we're making money, we're also having fun. Okay, so let's just work on that. Once I'm able to achieve that and we get some people funded, all right, they're already trading live, so we can get people who are actually trading live to to the screen for everybody to see, so that we can share our success, everything right there. Okay, so that's my plan. All right, but for now, for this month, let's just keep it this way, then after that we'll continue. All right, I feel let me see what happened to the 1 hour candle. Okay, all right. Okay, I wouldn't even lie, with the closure of this 1 hour candle, I don't like this closure. I wouldn't even lie. All right, but it's okay. All right, I don't expect anybody to be on this trade apart from just that small position you have in. All right, I don't expect anybody to still have risk on this trade. All right, so no problem, we're just going to hold, but I don't like this closure. All right, most times the next 1 hour candle usually close bearish. Okay, then probably price will come back to retrace to this point right here before going back up. One of these two things is going to happen, but let's see. Okay, we are risk free now, so everything is okay. Risk free, everything is okay. Please, let's give this video a like. Please guys, give it a like so we can get more visibility. We are risk free on this trade. All right, no risk. Now let's check Euro USD. Okay, I'm expecting Euro USD to push back to this point right here. I guess Euro USD just want to go retrace this point here. Okay, maybe he wants to retrace this point right here, then after retracing this point we have a push down, and then price continue to the upper side to this point right here. This could be the reaction, what is it called, the plan, all right, for Euro USD. But I'm not going to be getting in here. I don't think it's strong enough or sure enough. all right, for me to want to trade if price get back to this, to the upper side. It's just not strong enough. All right, it's not convincing enough. So the best place to wait is just this one right here. The best place to wait at is this up right here. So let's do that. There's a strong possibility that I'm still going to trade Euro USD today, so we will see. Just take advantage of small moves, guys. Like I told you guys, very small move. That's just what we want to do. Small move in the market, small move in the market, and we're good. Let's see what Euro CHF is doing. All right, like I said before, nothing really is going to happen on Euro CHF today, so don't expect any trade on that one. It's not going to be possible. All right, GBJPY has been running from us since last week. I basically haven't traded GBJPY. I think the last time I traded GBJPY was on Tuesday last week. Yes, this is the trade right here, Tuesday last week. I haven't traded it till now, over 1 week already. Waiting at this point though. I'm waiting at this point. I don't know the possibility of that today, but I don't know if what is it called, the US news is going to push it. I don't know. All right, but I'm very sure that the US news will push Euro USD probably to the top right here or somewhere. So my next projection will be on Euro USD. That's going to be our next prey. That will be our next prey. I told you guys, I don't like that 1 hour close. I don't like it. Like I said before, based on experience, guys, you know, I've seen these guys. I know the way these candles work. I've seen them. I know the way they work. All right, though the candle is still young, that could also be a week. All right, so the candle is very young. The candle is just 5 minutes old, so it's very young. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe. We've taken our money off of this trade. We are on a risk-free trade right now. We've closed majority of our position at 1 to 2 risk to reward. So there's nothing here anymore. Nothing here. Okay? Nothing on this trade anymore. Okay. So there's nothing here anymore. It's already touched entry level. Okay, let me see. All right. Nice profit, guys. Nice profit right there. Okay, another beautiful day. Guys, if you have any question, keep it coming. All right, keep it coming. So basically, let's just quickly go over the strategy again. Probably just explain anything because you guys are not keep making it interesting because you're not asking any question. All right, I wanted you guys to ask a question, so ask questions so we can discuss and talk about, you know, anything. All right, but I want you guys to grab it. The strategy is super simple. Support and resistance level is what we just mark on the 1 hour time frame, and wait for price to come right there and bounce. Okay, very easy. Okay, if you can look at this one, we have the support and resistance level. All right, but we take it a little bit. All right, we take it a little bit, we make it a little bit interesting, and we decided to be very diplomatic about it. So instead of just sorry guys, instead of just getting into the trade anywhere, instead of just expecting that price will always move, all right, to the downside, like price will always move like this to come to this downside, we decided not to do that and just take advantage of a very small move in the market, very tiny move. So we go to 1 minute time frame, and just when price get to the support and resistance, which is the key level which you marked, all right, just wait for a shift in momentum and you get into the trade. Very simple system, very simple. All right, of course there are a couple of other things, all right, but this is just the major basic thing you need to understand about the strategy. Okay, so this same one too as well, you can see price bounce right here, bounce. All right, and when price got to this point here, we can see price had a little rejection right here, but the sellers were too strong and they overpowered the buyers, and price continues to the downside. Then here we can see buyers started having enough strength. We got into GBP/USD yesterday based on a retracement. All right, when I got into this trade yesterday, there was a key level right here. All right, understood. All right, there are two ways, there are two things that I basically look for. There are two things that actually make my decision sometimes. All right, this is what I have at the back of my mind. When we have this push right here, immediately I saw this very big push, candle right here, and this one, there's a big tendency that price will continue to the upper side, because I don't really deal with long time movement. All right, you know, long time swing, because I'm not a swing trader. All right, so I don't worry myself about swings. All right, so I don't even know where the direction of this trade is going. If it's going down or it's going up, that's not my business. All right, I just want to stay at a very strong key level and, you know, just trade only strong key levels. Okay, so that's what happened right here. So why price was coming here, we know there's going to be a resting time. All right, that's what usually happen. You have a stage of impulse, you have a retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement. Okay, so this points right are usually a point where I usually call resting time. That's the place where price is gonna be exhausted exhausted, all right, from the move that he has been making, all right, and just get tired and be like, okay, let me take a little bit, let me take a rest now, and I'll continue again. So you take a rest, all right, at this very point here, and this is the point where we always want to stay. This point right here, that point where price is resting, that's where we want to stay. Okay, then we just take it. It doesn't have to be too much. You can see this trade today now is not even a bearish candle, it's still a bullish candle. It's just a week of 1 hour time frame. It's just a week back to the downside right here, and a push back up, and we are done. All right, so we don't have to concentrate on the real swing move. All right, so the resting point is where we just, you know, get into the trade, take advantage a little bit. All right, just between 5 minutes 10 minutes we are done. All right, 5 to 15 minutes we are done with the trade. And then, all right, that's just how we do it. Okay, but when I was looking at this one yesterday, there was a very big impulse at this point right here. I knew it's going to be a resting moment for us, but at the same time, not all of them are resting moments. Okay, this one right here, let me give you this, let's give you this color. All right, there's a difference between this guy and this guy. All right, this one is resting for a pullback, for a continuation, but this one right here, okay, is a continuation move. This is where, like, oh, enough of the rest, now let's continue to the upper side. All right, so it's two different things. All right, now we'll be able to trade both of them because of the small move in the market. If you're actually taking a very big move in the market, you won't be able to take this resting period right here. You only have to wait on this point right here, at this point right here. So let's say peradventure you're trying to trade, you're trying to have like 60 pips stop loss, all right, 50 pips stop loss. You don't want the situation, or let me just give you an instance. Let's say you're trading break and retest and you're waiting for price to get to this point right here for you to sell to the downside, because yes, this is exactly what every break and retest trader will probably do. Okay, right here. Okay, they wait for price to break structure, come back to retest it and continue to the downside, probably look for engulfing or whatever. Okay, so now this is a retracement at this point right here to them, and this is what they are going to trade as a break and retest trader. Okay, and to be honest with you guys, you can trade any of it and still be profitable. Even if you like trade break and retest or whatever, you will always be profitable with whatever you do. Just be consistent with it and be patient for it to play out. But then you have to backtest to make sure that it has an edge in the market. So you don't just want to be, you don't just want to get involved with anyhow strategy. You want something that is profitable. So right here, all right, could mean that this is this one right here for them, all right, because this, all right, they already have a stage of impulse, and this is the resting point, all right, for price to have a little retracement back to this upside and continue to the downside right here. So this is what they can do, all right. Some of them what they can do, and some people will decide, okay, I'm going to trade from here, and when price is exhausted and price starts showing sign on the lower time frame that it wants to continue back, I'm going to get into the trade. We have people who trade that type of strategy as well, all right. But what makes us different is that we can trade both of them at the same time. That's just the entire thing that we do. We trade both of them at the same time, okay, by going to lower time frame and just looking for small move in the market, and we're done. That's how we do it. Okay, this is a very simple way we do it. So guys, I guess we're gonna finish this live session we're gonna finish this off. We're gonna wait for, what is it called, we're going to wait for Euro USD on, like I said guys, you can see price is coming to retrace that point. I told you guys, right? All right, but it's not strong enough. All right, basically I would have want to trade this point. To be honest, I would have want to trade this point, okay, to take the market back up. True, but I won't trade it. It's super aggressive. It's too aggressive. All right, very, very aggressive. But there's a possibility that price is going to continue right here. But then we have a very strong impulsive candle right here, which is an engulfing candle right here. So I don't know what's going to happen. I feel like price is going to push down a little bit to this point right here. It won't just stop right here anymore. It's going to push down a little bit before it possibly continue to the upper side. We can see something like this. Okay, it's going to push down a little bit. It won't just stop right here. It won't stop right on top of here. Push down a little bit before continue. And again, this candle also determines it. If this one closes as a doji, all right, this candle closes doji, we could have a continuation immediately. But with the strength that I'm seeing with this candle keep the strength and continue to push to the downside, we'll see it push down a little bit more before we have a continuation back. But I'm not going to trade this point here. It's aggressive, so I'll wait for price to come back here. So I'm going to give you guys trades. I'm going to give you guys the update of Euro USD on the Telegram channel. I'm going to tell you guys when we are about to get into the trade. So I just want you guys to expect only Euro USD, and you can also mark this on your chart. Just mark this key level on your chart, all right? And I'll definitely call the trades out when it's ready, so all of us can, everyone can take the trade. Okay, so if you have any question before we leave this live session, just drop that now. Okay, if you have any question, All right, so in the absence of no question, thank you guys for coming. Thank you. We finished this off on the Telegram channel. All right, so guys,